Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Okay, with the rainfall we had recently, our total for the year at Bradley International Airport is now up to 59.22 inches. We are still in 7th place as far as the all-time wettest years on record for the greater Hartford area. Of course, first place is 2011 with 69.23 inches. However, we're going to be adding to that total of 59.22 inches with some heavy rain coming our way later in the week. We could easily go into 6th place before the week is over. So heavy rain is in the forecast, but for now, 59.22 inches, which is plenty enough. All right, we have mostly dry conditions across the state. Now, I can't rule out somewhere in the state there's a sprinkle or a flurry, but that's really about it. About 3 hours ago in Hartford, we had a little bit of sunshine, but going into sunset, we have a mostly cloudy sky now. The clouds will gradually clear away tonight, but the northwest wind is going to kick up, and it's going to bring in some colder air. There's our ICAM in New London, where in that part of the state, we're already getting winds gusting to over 30 miles an hour. It's 38 at Windsor Locks, 38 in Waterbury, still 44 in New Haven, 40 in Willimantic, and we got that wind gusting to 32 miles an hour in Groton. Just about anybody could see winds gusting to over 30 miles an hour as we go through this evening and tonight. As that cold air comes pouring in, you can see it turns gradually colder off to our north and west, where Albany is 38 and Syracuse is 35. By morning here in Connecticut, many of you will see temperatures in the 20s when you step out the door. But with the wind, it's going to feel a lot colder than that. So we got a huge storm up across the Canadian Maritimes now. It's departing, but we have high pressure off to our west, and between those two, we're caught in a pressure squeeze. That's why we're going to have the gusty wind not only tonight, but tomorrow as well, when the wind could gust over 40 miles an hour. And except for a chance for a sprinkle or a flurry this evening, most of the state is going to be dry through tonight into tomorrow morning. As we go through the day tomorrow, mostly sunny, but it's going to be windy and it's going to be cold. The wind will subside tomorrow night on into Wednesday morning. That's when temperatures will drop into the teens. And as we go through the day on Wednesday, mostly sunny, much lighter winds, and the temperature will rebound after a cold start. So the cold weather is not going to stick with us very long. So lows tonight, 20s, as low as 21 in Salisbury, as high as 29 in Bridgeport. For Hartford, around 26 for a morning low. And your high tomorrow will range anywhere from the mid and upper 20s in the Litchfield Hills to the mid 30s along the I-95 corridor. And most of the state will see highs around 30 or 32 degrees. So here is your 7-day forecast. 15 tomorrow night, then Wednesday, mostly sunny, less wind and a high of 42. Now Thursday, a storm is going to take aim at us. So we'll have increasing clouds, a high of 48, and rain develops Thursday night, and that rain could be heavy at times on Friday, potentially an inch or more, maybe 1 to 2 inches before it ends Friday night. Saturday, mostly cloudy and breezy with a chance for a lingering shower in 49. And then Sunday, mostly sunny, a high of 44. There is a chance for snow Christmas Eve day. That's the European model. But another model says it's going to be dry and cold. So stay tuned. There is at least some slight hope for a white Christmas for the shoreline tomorrow, a high of 34 degrees. And speaking of windy and cold, let's go